You are tuned into the Music and Culture podcast with Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really appreciate your time. Please do the right thing. Subscribe, share, like, comment, whatever you can. Let other people know about it. Okay, let's give you some update on the SHEBESHXT accident, and I'm also going to dispel or interrogate some claims. We're going to interrogate those. So what's happening now is the fact that we know that SHEBESHXT was involved in a horrific accident last night, and he's been taken to hospital. That's what we know. It looks like he wasn't traveling alone. And his daughter has been compromised in that situation. We don't know what are the facts. Firstly, let's go to this Twitter update. It's by MND News. They say Skotani Sapitori is lying to the crowd, saying that SHEBESHXT is dead. He said this after he heard SHEBESHXT had a car accident last night. So I don't know what he said. Let's listen in. Ha. Hi man, you can't do that. I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that. It's so insensitive. It's so immature. Even if it was true, this is not the way we go about it. What are people saying though? But this one is getting another beating when SHEBESHXT sees him. His loud mouth will always get him murdered. Guys, it's so immature. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I just wanted to say, because I've seen people on Facebook also saying RIP. Why are people already saying RIP? I mean, people should be relying on a family statement or someone very, very close to him confirming those things in an official manner, but not in the way it's being done. Sometimes we love social media. Sometimes social media is gonna just kill us. We're gonna die death because of social media. Let's go to another one. There is a post, I think it's DJ Call Me. He's showing the car here on his Facebook. You see what he's saying there, and it's not cool. It's not cool. So the daughter, it looks like his daughter has been compromised. But what is the media saying about this story? So a story by Leroy from the South African is saying SHEBESHXT involved in a fatal accident, near fatal accident. So let's read in, and here maybe there's some few things or some update we don't know about. Let's check it out. So it says rapper SHEBESHXT is making headlines after he was involved in a near fatal accident. However, details about the accident remain sketchy, and his management has yet to share what caused the accident. The rumor mill has it that SHEBESHXT's car accident occurred on the R37 road near Smelters Mine outside Polokwane, not far from Chwini. Videos and photos of SHEBESHXT's red car have since flooded social media, gaining thousands of comments and reactions. Celebrity blogger Pandaba confirmed the news with some videos from the accident scene. That's all I had, guys. We're gonna keep tabs on this one just to check what's happening, what are the official statements saying, if they're gonna release one soon. Anyway, from me, Mandla, I thank you very much for joining me on this episode. Hope to see you again in the next one, because we're gonna keep tabs on this one. Just like the video, share, comments, whatever you do. Thank you, guys. See you in the next upload. Salute. Mengatete